there, fashion enthusiasts! Ever looked in your closet and thought, I wish I had something totally unique? Guess what? You can! Designing your own clothes is easier than you think, and honestly, so much fun. It's about expressing yourself, your way. No rules, just pure creativity. Imagine rocking a piece no one else owns, a design born from your imagination. That's the magic we're about to unlock. This guide will take you step by step, from the initial spark of inspiration to strutting your stuff in your very own creation. No matter your sewing experience, this journey is for everyone. We'll keep it light, easy, and full of encouragement. Remember, it's all about having a blast while discovering your unique design style. So are you ready to unleash your inner fashion icon? Let's dive in. All right, design stars, let's gather our tools. Don't worry, we're not talking about expensive sewing machines yet. We'll start with the basics: a sketchbook, pencils, erasers, and a ruler. Trust me, even the simplest tools can birth extraordinary designs. Next, let's talk inspiration. Look around you. Notice patterns, colors, and textures you love. Have a favorite celebrity style icon? Browse magazines, scroll through Pinterest, or explore fashion blogs. Let those visuals fuel your creativity. Remember those old fabrics lying around? That scarf with the beautiful print? Or that old shirt with the perfect texture? Upcycling is your friend. It's sustainable and adds a personal touch to your designs. Now for the exciting part, sketching. Don't worry if you're not a pro artist. This is about capturing your ideas, not winning art awards. Start simple. Draw a basic shirt, dress, or whatever you envision. Then let your creativity flow. Experiment with necklines, sleeve styles, lengths, and add those unique details you love. Think ruffles, pockets, cutouts. The sky's the limit. Play with patterns, prints, and color combinations. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you discover and refine your style. Remember, this is your design playground. Let loose, have fun, and don't be afraid to go bold. Your sketchbook is your judgment-free zone, so sketch away and watch your fashion dreams come to life on paper. Section 4. Fabric fun, choosing textures and tools. With your designs ready, let's talk fabric. This is where your creations truly come to life. Visit a fabric store and immerse yourself in a world of textures and colors. Feel the fabrics, drape them, and see how they move. For beginners, cotton is a great starting point. It's easy to work with and comes in a variety of prints and colors. Linen is fantastic for a more relaxed, breathable feel, while silk adds a touch of luxury. Don't be afraid to mix and match. While you're at it, grab some essential sewing tools: fabric scissors, pins, needles, and thread. A measuring tape is crucial for accurate measurements, and a seam ripper will be your best friend. Trust me on this one. Section 5. Snip, stitch, and create. Bringing your design to life. Time to bring your vision to life. Lay your fabric flat, place your pattern pieces on top, and secure them with pins. Now, carefully cut along the edges of the pattern, ensuring clean, precise lines. Threading a needle can be tricky, but practice makes perfect. If you're using a sewing machine, familiarize yourself with its basic functions. Start with simple stitches like a straight stitch or a zigzag stitch to secure your seams. Remember, patience is key. Take your time, follow your pattern instructions, and don't be afraid to unpick and redo if needed. Every stitch brings you closer to wearing your one-of-a-kind creation. Section 6. Perfect fit, tweaking for flattery. Congratulations, you've sewn your first garment. Now, let's ensure it fits like a dream. Try it on inside out and take a look in the mirror. Pin any areas that feel too loose or too tight. Remember, fitting is all about adjustments. Don't be afraid to make those seams a bit smaller or let them out a bit. A well-fitting garment will not only look amazing, but also boost your confidence. Once you're happy with the fit, sew those final seams. Give your creation a good press and voila! You've officially designed and sewn your own masterpiece. Section 7. Rock your creations, styling and confidence boost. Now for the best part, rocking your creations. Style your new garment with confidence and let your personality shine through. Pair it with your favorite accessories, shoes, and a killer attitude. Remember, you poured your heart and soul into this piece. It's a reflection of your unique style and creativity. Own it, share your creation with the world, and inspire others to embrace their inner fashion designers. Designing your own clothes is an empowering journey of self-expression. It's about embracing your individuality and creating something truly special. So, go forth, design, create, and most importantly, have fun.